Hey guys, what's up? CPI just came out. Had two quick trades on it. Really nothing of note. I think I'm up like $100 or $50 or something. Nothing crazy. And I'm just kind of looking for what I think's gonna happen here at the open. And I think that a lot of people are stuck.
Order filled.
I think a lot of people are stuck short. And I believe that at the open we could make a run for it. Now let me pull up SPX as usual. And what I'm trying to do with MNQ is build a little bit of a position to try to hold on to for the bigger move. And I've got a stop in place, a mental stop at the moment at $200, anywhere between $150 and $200. I only have 4 MNQ right now, so this is not moving fast at all yet. So I got a little bit of room. Sorry, I'm just trying to bring over the old SPX. So how much are we up here on ES? 1%, what, 30 points? 30 points is like here on SPX, so it's looking like it's going to gap over everything, and maybe it'll pull back in, or maybe it'll pull back all the way down into here and then take off. But I do think we're gonna open and probably push. There's so many people short in here, which is a fact, and people have been piling in for this move all the way back down because it has to pull back, because this market's shit, because it doesn't deserve to be all the way up here. That I think we could start to get our secondary sort of breakout. We had the breakout and we failed. We pulled back into a good spot, and maybe this will be the actual breakout that works. So I've just been accumulating a little bit of an MNQ thing position here. This isn't usually how I trade in terms of like starting smaller and easing into it, but I want to try to hold something like this for as long as possible. So I'm actually going to put my stop in at
Order working.
99.50, below all of these setups. Yeah, that's a good spot to have it. We bounced off the 5-minute 9. I think we're gonna head higher, and I'm gonna leave that in there. I'm not gonna add to it more, and I'm gonna go back to NQ here and just see if I can get any sort of scalp out of this as well. So just kind of waiting for a setup here. If it pulls back, I'm gonna get bounced out of this on the MNQ, and that's fine. That's totally fine. I think I'm up about 150 right now. I don't wanna check. I think the less I get triggered by P&L, the less I get triggered, the better. I've noticed that seeing numbers more often than not can do that to me. So I'm just gonna hang out. Try to catch a scalp at the open. I think we can do it. I don't know where to put this. It's like in the way no matter what. So we got a minute and a half to the open. I probably could have... Dang, I could have gotten filled on NQ there. That was probably the entry. Like a dip back into this at the open, and then a push to 40. It's a 30-point trade right there. I'd be willing to take that. Yeah, we're already taking off. Let's see what we get. But I do think that the move of more pain is definitely up. If we get some crazy move, like up to 15,500, I'll take this off, but This could take all day, honestly. So, or it could just get stopped out, obviously. So, let's see what happens. 5 seconds. Let's try to get filled right here.
Order working.
Just immediately. Yeah, it looks like it's going to immediately push. There's no setup for me to buy here, though, but I don't think it's going to pull back much. I really don't think I'm going to get filled. That might be it. I mean...
Order working. Order cancelled.
You know what I mean? I can't just kind of buy in the no man's land, though. That's a little silly. I gotta try to at least get a good price. Maybe that was the bottom, though. Where's the positions tab? I just want to be able to monitor the MNQ at the same time. Right? Maybe we will pull back, get one more flush, fill me, and then take off, but I can't just chase it up there with NQ. What I can do, though, is add
Order filled.
one more MNQ. I can do that.
Order cancelled.
Oh, fuck me. 8 contracts? That's not what I meant to do at all.
Order filled.
I just took 4 off there. Bro, I didn't change that to 1. Yo, that was... I was like, why is the stop PNL so big? Okay, that's crazy. Let me just put in this... what am I doing? Okay, we'll put in the stop. Back at...
Order working.
$100. We'll go back to NQ. We'll take it off of 4 because that would be crazy. And we'll just wait. I accidentally added 4 contracts instead of 1. I meant to add 1 contract. So I just immediately took it off. I don't like to just hold stuff that I did not mean to buy. I don't think that's good practice in trading. NQ 17.
Order filled.
Probably get stopped out of that. That's fine.
Stop filled.
So I got filled on NQ here. On a full contract. Stopped out of the MNQ. There's a profit attached to it, so if this gets hit right here, then I'll just take it off. What is that at? 39.40? Let's look at SPX, see what's happening. Where did this shit gap to? Oh, there it is. I want to get that MNQ back on. 4 contracts at 17. Can I do that? Ah, it's already taken off. Fuck. Well, I want to know how much I'm up here. But I don't want to check it. You know? It shouldn't matter, but it does matter.
Order cancelled.
Take that off here. We're going to put that order at not 4 contract. Yo, this...
Order working.
This Dom is trying to kill me, dude. 4 contracts of NQ? What are you trying to do? Okay, so we already pulled back. I'm going to put in a...
Order working.
5-point...
Order cancelled.
Profit stop, because now we're trying to head higher. We've already pulled back into here, and if we pull back again, I don't want this. Ooh, that was tempting to take off right there, too. This might be where I can get MNQ back on. NQ is really just trying to figure out what the heck it's gonna do. SPX is holding, but it's not pushing yet. This does feel like it's gonna take off. I just have to not get
Order
stopped
cancelled.
So I'm gonna not put the stop in so tight.
Order working.
There we go. That gives it a little room. MNQ. I still want to get on. Get 3 contracts at like. Ah, that was the entry. 31 was the entry.
Order working.
Fuck, I already missed it.
Order cancelled.
Man, I'm trying to do so many things right here. And then I just missed the MNQ. Ugh.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. Put in the stop. 150 bucks.
Order working.
No, not.
Order cancelled. Order working.
Not
Order
close.
cancelled. Order working.
There we go. Got the stop in. Back to watching this. All right, push up, push up.
Order filled.
Nice. I got filled on the
Order cancelled.
the NQ. Really nice trade. I saw it up like 5 something by the time I got out. Really nice trade. Locked in the scalp profits there, and I'm going to keep holding on to the MNQ as long as I can, I think. Well,
Order cancelled.
actually that's a really bad stop. We're going to have it right here.
Order working.
There we go. 100 bucks. Yep, it's below the 15-minute setup, below the 30-minute setup. We're trying to hold this to take off. I might even get one.
Order filled.
I got one more contract right here. And we'll see if that ends
Order
up stopping
working.
me. I'm clicking a whole lot of buttons, and a lot has already happened, so I'm going to be right back. I'm going to take a 2-minute break. I'll be right back.
Stop filled.
Alrighty. What happened here? Got stopped out of MNQ. Fair enough. ES. NQ still dicking around. Still looks like a decent long, man. I don't know if that stop was too tight. I think it was good. I thought it out pretty rationally, to be honest. SPX at open print. Oh, man. SPX broke open print. Okay, that's not good. Really broke it. I don't have any really good ideas right now. Right? Like, let me actually check how much I'm up here. 691. Nice. So we've got room for $200 more, but I'm not risking more than $200. Like I said, I almost forgot. No, I didn't almost forget. Like I said, this is the scenario, this is the situation where if I give back profits, we have a potential to blow up, right? I'm not triggered at the moment. Obviously, I'm not triggered. I just traded well, made a fat chunk of change in 2 minutes, and yeah, there was just not a whole lot of drawdown. So I'm not triggered right now, but I will be if I give a little bit back and then I keep trading. So like I said, I have a rule right now, especially in the evaluation still, I'm only going to take maximum one more trade. And I can only risk maximum $200. I don't want to give back 200. I think I actually only want to give back 100, if anything. Like, I don't want to just give it back. I want to risk it to make more. So I'm going to wait for a setup. I'm going to see if anything really catches my eye. Like if we head down into that area for... Yeah, SPX is just kind of... So what was the gap? 37.60. Yeah, I mean, that's a pretty fat gap. So it's giving me this opportunity now to get in for the move higher, of course. So what kind of setup am I looking for? I wanted to tap this area again at the open of the 15-minute candle. Right here. 10.50. That's the trade I want. And we are going to risk... we're gonna do it on MNQ. That's what we're gonna do. Let me see if there's any open working orders at the moment. Nope. MNQ, we're gonna have a max risk of $125, and I'm gonna try to get into this trade. Where's the level on the 15-minute? It's at 09, 010 or 410. I might have kind of missed it there already, but we're gonna wait. Maybe we'll get a good price before the end of the candle, or we'll get a the better setup at the open of the candle. So we'll see. If we come right back down to 12, I'll grab some at 12, like 13.
Order working. Order working.
11.75. Might just take off though. Reclaiming that open print on SPX. That's looking good. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy it up here. I should have been buying it when it was lower, but still a little sketch, to be honest, and not like a great setup. Other than that 15, it came right back down into it, and that's a great setup. 10 seconds left. Okay, so 1920 area.
Order cancelled. Order working. Order working. Order working.
Let's try to get some MNQ. That might be it. That might be it before it takes off, man. But that's not a big enough pullback for NQ, so I have to use MNQ. Yeah, see? And then we just take off. I was kind of afraid of that, but maybe I'll still get it. I don't know. I gotta be okay with missing this now. Right? I've got a great day. That was a great day. I've already had a great day. I don't need to trade anymore. I was done trading in like 5 minutes. I don't actually have to extract any more money out of the market. That rate there is like 4 times what I'm going to make, 3 times what I'm going to make in my actual job today, working all day. So it would be nice to get this and make that extra 200 for the evaluation, but it's not about, I can't think like that because that's how I make dumb decisions. So I'm just watching price action. We're holding the 5-minute 9. We broke out, made a new high on the 5-minute. We'll probably just head to 50 and then head to 60, head all the way up to 15,500, and maybe we'll chop around. Maybe we'll do it in a not so easy fashion, but I think we're going to break out today. We're going to break out of, what is the top there? 475-ish and head higher. As much as I think this is going to happen too, it might just not happen. So again, risk management is in mind. The setups are at the forefront. I'm not going to take... Excuse me, hold on one sec. I'm not going to take a setup out of nowhere. Or I'm not going to take no setup. I got to have some sort of setup. SPX chillin'. 478 would be a long. That's if that candle opens above it and then pulls back into it. It's kind of a... What was I doing? Yep. Now we wait. That could have been the best entry all day. Oh yeah. Everything's breaking out now. Just like I said. Now I'm left alone. No position on. Sad boy. I don't actually care. That's kind of funny. Turns out that was the bottom right there. 26. 25.75. Nice. Nice push. Nice freaking push. I think people are going to be trying to short this all freaking day, and they're going to get hosed. Oh, this can't break out. No, it can't. Pull back, please. And they're going to get effed. 30 seconds left. If I can't put on a good trade in the next 6 minutes, probably, I'll just call the stream. Oh, I'm going to do a live stream on Friday. I'm going to live stream. We're gonna do live stream Fridays. Oh, God. It's gonna be a good time. What's that price? 37, 38?
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order cancelled. Order working.
Not gonna get those either.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
It's just gonna take off without me. We're gonna break those highs of 476. And that's fine. Like I said, I got a good day on. I don't care. I'm not pissed off either way. $15-minute, 30-minute. It all looks good. I'm just chilling. Just on my phone right now. Maybe we'll get it. Maybe we'll get it. Maybe not, though. SPX be rippin'. Be rippin', boy. Come on, bro. Give me something. Yes. Come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
There it is. Now just immediately stop me out. That would be super sick, too. How much do I want to lose on this? What did I say? $100? Yeah, maybe a little less.
Order working.
There we go. There's a stop. So I'm gonna just chill and wait and watch this and try to give you guys some value that way. 691. So I gotta sell it anyways at, what is that? I'm not good at math. 209. Yeah, right here.
Order working.
That might hit. So we're just gonna sit here and we're gonna wait. We're gonna do this together, and we're gonna actually, maybe we're gonna listen to some music. Let's just hang out. Let's just chill.
Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends.
So, I don't know. Should I even like?
Like my father's gone.
Should I even go over price action, dude? I'm just so lazy right now.
Wake me up when September ends.
I think we're gonna head higher. Like I said, 75. Is that the highs? 75.50. My order's at 73. I think we're gonna hit it. We just have to wait.
Drenched in my pain again.
Don't do anything stupid. Just don't, like, once you have your plan in place, you don't have to add, you don't have to, like, go all crazy. You just have to watch price action. You don't even have to watch price action. I could just leave, but I want to watch it, and I'm on stream, so I want to watch it. Maybe we can play some music together. Where's my guitar? Is my guitar out? No, it's not out. Should I go get my guitar? Where is it? Hold on one sec. We'll see. We'll see if I can find it. Kind of concerning, I guess. I don't really know what it is. Right now, the highs are at 65. Let me turn that down for you. 65.50. We're just doing our thing. We're not like... Yeah, SPX has a 5-minute reversal setup. Do you really think the max pain right now is down, though? I don't. I could be wrong, dude, but like... Everyone's been shorting the shit out of this move. And we finally break out. Hold on, let me... we get some consolidation. Yo, my throat is messed up. We finally get some consolidation. Right here. We break out. And then, boom, we fail it. Everyone's getting short that shit, man. That's just how this game works. So, look at this. Now we're starting to skip higher, you know? Like, boom, boom, boom. This is where this can go parabolic. Potentially. I don't know what's going to happen. And certainly, I'm not trying to say that that's going to happen today. I'm just saying. Now we've broken out again for real after a gap. This is just primed to go higher. These are sort of the things... These are the things that I see, and my instinct, my intuition, my experience, whatever. Sometimes I don't manage my emotions properly, and that's my biggest problem with trading. But I like to think that I see the market really well. I kind of know where it's going to go, kind of in the right time frame, when it's going to do it. But, like, I'll do stupid shit. I'll, like, buy 10 contracts because I'm down, or I'll fucking do other dumb shit. Because I'm a chimp, because I'm an ape. I'm a human with emotion, so. Just don't touch it, man. Just don't touch it, right? Like, oh, we gotta take it off because we're in profit, and it's been... You've been in this trade for 10 minutes or something. It's just like, no, let it do its thing. It's an uptrend. There's no reason to short this. I don't care about a 5-minute short setup. Let's get something else going here. Come on, let's go, let's go. Oh man, this is gonna be the live stream. This is such a shit show. This is such a shit show right now. This is like the worst content I've ever put out. I don't even care, bro. It's my workout music here. This is what is even more annoying. Is I know I got it. Like I'm not trying to brag. I'm just saying. I've been doing this long enough that I know what's going on most of the time. I just can't manage myself. And that's the hardest thing, right? Like, man, that's like, that's by far the hardest thing to do is develop discipline, develop emotional maturity, develop just develop the sort of impulse control that will get you far in life in any area, let alone in trading. So with that is like struggle with the ego, struggle with pride, struggle with about to open the hour. I think we'll get the pop at the hour. We'll just hour will open, the buying will come in. There it is. Take off. No, alright, cool. Let's get some oh man. It's gonna take longer, isn't it? I don't know if we can put that on the stream. Let's just chill on the music. There's probably no one watching at this point anyways. They're like, yo, this guy's cracked in the head. That is true. I am definitely not all good in the head. Let me know if you're still watching. Let me know. Let me know. But this is trade management, right? You're going to do what you're going to do. Yeah, I'm goofing around. I've got smaller size. I'm waiting for a smaller trade. $200 is whatever at this point. And it looks like it's going to hit it here finally. Once we break those highs, I think we're off. We're off to the races. There won't be like major pullbacks. Maybe we'll grind up all day. If we get too far like above the sort of average, then we'll pull back into it and then we'll just continue the grind higher. But once you get the trade on, you just gotta chill. I've had well, actually, I haven't had that strong of impulses because I have a plan to just exit and cancel right now. But we're right there. Like, we're right there. I'm certainly not trying to short this. No, that's not a good idea. Looks like we're gonna get filled any second here. Yeah, these numbers don't affect me anymore. I remember if you go back, you can see this as well on my earlier videos, like my my first, a whole lot of the videos actually, but the first bit of them where I'm like, I'm happy if I made $15, you know, or like hold on one sec, or like a $7 green day. I'm like ecstatic. So I'm at the point now where hundreds of dollars, which could be a day or two of most, like in the realm of like normie wage slave kind of jobs, anywhere from about $100 to like $300 is normal, right? And that's a huge disparity, especially when you think of like a salary over time, like in a full year. That could be the difference. Well, that is the difference between like 30 grand a year and like 90 grand a year. And for most people, making 90 grand a year would be crazy, right? Like you're top slave, right? Like you're making around the cap of what most people can make out of school with an education into a specialized job, right? So I'm not saying it's not a lot of money. I'm just saying I'm used to these numbers now where being up and down days worth of salary, and even a lot more. Like I was trading massive size in crypto, but we don't have to get into that. Where it's just kind of whatever. It's about the plan. It's about the the setups. It's about risk management for the bankroll management. If anyone plays poker, it's the same thing. So I'm just gonna keep waiting. I'm just gonna keep waiting. I'm gonna go back on my phone. COVID foosball rules. Masks mandatory when playing. Oh, this video is gonna get like totally triggered and demonetized for everything now. This isn't even monetized anyways, but you can only play with people from the same table. 4 people max. Only people playing can be at the table. No spectators. Sanitize with I'm just looking at my old, you know how Snapchat gives you your 2 years ago, 3 years ago on this day. Just looking at how crazy that time was. Yo, I used to have hair, dog. Those were the days, eh? Alright, honestly, you guys probably get it. You get it. I'm in a trade, I'm waiting, I'm being annoying, I'm ranting about crap. Hasn't been filled yet. It definitely will be. Definitely, 100% cannot go down. And I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to do that on the video. The video is probably crazy long now. So anyways, thanks for watching. Friday live stream. Don't miss it. Don't you miss it. I'll see you later. Peace.